What's going on, guys? Apparently I'm out with the man them right now.
Do you ever put a weapon stolen place, come back next day and the thing is told? On Sunday I'm serving dinner, it's not. My type take light in the rose.
Let's see what they have. Just go to get some food. What am I feeling today?
Bush on bush, know the vibes, get me. Man, I'm outside right now. Niggas know. Peace on the back, Monzo. It's your boy all live and direct. Today we're heading to a little barbecue and them things there. Get me. Make sure you stay tuned. Stay tuned, bro. First thing you need to do is like and subscribe. I don't know why you haven't done that yet. Like and subscribe, bro. We're live in the district.
Just made it to the party, but I need to set my camera first to get some content for you lot. So be on right there, taking the shot, and I go Ray speaking to the girls right there. So let's get set up, let's get in there, let's get lit. We're here to have fun, so you lot stay tuned and let's vibe. Only here though. Huh? Who's throwing the pie? Who's throwing the pie?
Everybody.
What you mean everybody, bro?
Everybody, bro.
That shit is more than whiskey, fam.
Bro, I'm gonna take my one shot.
No, take 2 shots, bro.
Stand steady.
2 shots, bro.
You could use that against him.
If I'm on shit every time, around here, bro. Alive in the streets, niggas know. Big rains and I blow my clutch.
Let's go quickly. I want to see everyone get the phones out.
Know what time it is. SRT shit, FWS shit, bro. We're live in the street, bro. You know we're outside. We're not inside, bro.
Yo,
Wake up.
yak. You just took 1 shot and you're done.
Get up, man. One shot, bro. One shot, are you okay? Hey, bro had a fucking flask. No one told you to back the flask, man.
Bro, get up, fam. Yo, be on, get up, fam.
Home time.
Bush. Need to draw something for this dude. You know, like, just breathe it in. No, you got this. You went out yesterday?
Yeah.
Was it a party though?
That's family time store, yeah.
See you lot putting some cowboy shit in that.
Reset after I pray that my soul's all right. After a week I don't see that light. These damn nightmares left my life. Moving forward to what cause. Imagine that G for you to grab more. Hopefully I never ever see.
Can't chill around down there no more. Can't chill around there no more. We're gonna flee. With Bando Gouch. I was out searching the makeup pounds with the niggas out there that were talking about style when it don't make sense. You can talk about risk. I was really taking risk out here for the town. That's FWS representing. If I don't flex them, man, that's wild. I'm outside with all of my brothers. So don't talk about buying and sleeping. I'm outside in the block and I'm scheming. I really make rats and I really get cheesy. Beat it, lean up the bread and squeeze it. If you mess with bro, I saw my life. I might mess back out my shank and just swing that line to your head. I was outside trying to make up chairs. A lot of boys there love talking men. Don't make no sense. They talk about intense. I've been on the road. I've seen no tensions there and you know what's men's. I make racks and I really get busy with Lizzie. Them niggas out there talk men's.
Yo, school, she wanna go uptown somewhere fancy. I just took an L, I'm a little bit grumpy. I've been in the bando with junkies, broke up backwards, sold to an undie, huh? Quick with my brother, my family, we push weight, we don't count calories. Get paid on a daily, no salary, the teeth leave holes and tops like cavity.
With Bando Gouch. I was out searching the makeup pounds with the niggas out there that were talking about style when it don't make sense. You can talk about risk. I was really taking risk out here for the town. That's FWS representing. If I don't flex them, man, that's wild. I'm outside with all of my brothers. So don't talk about buying and sleeping. I'm outside in the block and I'm scheming. I really make rats and I really get cheesy. Beat it, lean up the bread and squeeze it. If you mess with bro, I saw my life. I might best back out my shank and just swing that line to your head. I was outside trying to make up chairs. A lot of boys there love talking men's. Don't make no sense. They talk about intense. I've been on the road. I've seen no tensions there and you know what's men's. I make racks and I really get busy with Lizzie. Them niggas out there talk men's. Trap mush in the band. I already make racks and fits. So I know what's men's.
You saying?
Nah, I don't know, man. I'm pinning you. Nah, that's an OG, fam. SRT.
You saying, man? You know what's going on, man?
Sorry.
Live in the district, bro. Not having it, bro.
What you saying though, Charlie? What did you order? Listen, birthday boy.
I appreciate that. Still.
That's my nigga's birthday.
Gag shit, gag.
That's my nigga's birthday, right? Yeah.
Come on, man.
Right, you know what I'm saying?
Only right. Come on.
So you know we got to do it right. Everything, innit? It's a bread ticket. Get me? Free promo code.
Some shit. I don't know what time it is, man.
Simon, I got caught in the act of lying. I'm a big man, I do what I want. I'm a big man, I do what I want. Fuck what this nigga say. My guys, they come with a bush. The guys don't do MMA. They say they ain't gotta do too much.